Hello everyone, Erica from ericarock.com, and today I am pleased to do a guided meditation where we merge with our higher self, that perfected self that lives in oneness and unity, in peace and unconditional love and divine perfection. And when I say perfection, I don't mean that from the place of the mind where we must be perfect and do everything perfect and all of that. No, we already are perfect, and there is a realization of that truth. So I invite you to get still with me, to close your eyes, take some long deep breaths into the body, and place your hands over your heart. I ask, pray, and intend to open a portal of divine grace in this space, including everyone who ever watches this video. And calling forth within this sacred container, I ask for the energies of unity, of oneness, of unconditional love, of peace, harmony, coherence, balance, bliss, abundance, and all that is for our highest and best. We open to these divine frequencies now. Calling in our God teams, our spirit guides, our animal totems, mineral allies, and beings of the one true light who lead, guide, and direct us on our earth walk. So within your mind's eye, I ask you to see, feel, allow, imagine a rainbow bridge. And the feeling of this rainbow bridge is the feeling of home. It's so welcoming and warm and enticing and curious and magical. And this bridge, this rainbow bridge, will lead you to your next stage of evolution as a conscious being, as an embodied being, a grounded being, an open being, a loving being. And on this bridge, see before you your higher self, your divine self, your infinite self, your conscious, self-realized self. In this aspect of you, your higher self reaches out a hand and guides you across this rainbow bridge. And your higher self affirms and assures you every step of the way that you are one energy, one heart, one being, and that you can be merged in the most highest destiny way. Now see yourself step off the other side of the bridge and see before you your enlightened self, your divine self, your higher self, your conscious self, and all its glory, and all its wisdom, all its truth, its love, its perfection. A manifested being of high consciousness and perfect divine light. Open your arms to embrace the beautiful being that you know yourself to be in truth, and merge completely with this enlightened self, conscious self, Christed self. Merging with this frequency that you truly are in spirit. Become one with your enlightened self, higher self, Christed self. As this divine light is in yourself, as yourself, with yourself, and through yourself. Merge completely and totally, allowing your higher Christed self, empowered self, enlightened self, divine self to fill every cell, to fill your mind, your brain, your consciousness, to fill your energy centers, your nadis, meridians, your muscles, bones, the space in between, all of your systems, your skin, becoming luminous and vibrant, and your energy filled with vitality. And I now ask you to speak this aloud after me. It is my sacred vow that I have finally come home to myself, to know myself in every sacred way. And through these words that are spoken, it is done, it is done, it is done. So now I ask, pray, and intend to close this portal of divine grace, releasing all of the resplendent beings who have come to overlight and oversee this process, to celebrate us, to care for us, to assist us. So now firmly but gently come back fully and completely into your body. You can release your hands from your heart, opening your eyes and look around to see how things may look different. Colors perhaps can be brighter. You may start to see the energy around things, the aura that's around all living things. Feeling more connected with all that is, connected with your own heart, your truth, and connected with all of our brothers and sisters across the planet. And understanding that this feeling of connection, this feeling of divine merging will continue until it's reached its very fullest and highest completion with ease, speed, and grace in the most loving, highest destiny way possible. So thank you for being here, connecting in, receiving this. If you have any questions or want to share experiences, please post them in the comments below. And if you know of anyone that could benefit from this, please share it with them. I always appreciate that. So all my love and goodbye for now.